Hello guys, today's video we are discussing our chapter number 1.7, direct speech and indirect speech. In first video we discussed the course outcomes, especially examination point of view, that direct speech indirect speech will ask in final paper for 4 marks in question number 5b. Have you got it? We also discuss reported speech. Reported speech means first person speech is transmitted to the third one by reporter, that is called second person. It is called reported speech. There are two types of reported speech: direct speech, indirect speech. How to identify direct speech? Using inverted commas. Indirect speech, there is a omission of inverted commas. There are two parts in direct and indirect speech. One that is called reporting verb and second that is called reported speech. Reporting verb means before inverted commas, yeah, before conjunction it is a reporting verb, and within inverted commas, yeah, after conjunction it is a reported speech. We discuss examples also. Okay, how to identify and what is direct speech means use the same words, and indirect speech means emotions are the same but merge own language and then convert, then share, then transmit. Okay, how then we discuss how to convert from direct speech to indirect speech. There are only 5 changes. Change number first, that is called times change in verbs. If the reporting verb in past times, then we are doing change in reported speech tenses. Otherwise we are not doing tense in reported speech. Okay, if the reporting verb in present time, if the reporting verb in future time, then we are not doing then we are not doing time change in reported speech. How to change? If the reporting verb in past time, then we are changing v1 to v2. मतलब सिंपल प्रेजेंट है तो सिंपल पास, प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यू है तो पास कंटिन्यू, प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट है तो पास परफेक्ट, प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यू है तो पास परफेक्ट कंटिन्यू. मतलब v1 का v2, एम इज कार का वाज वेयर, हैव हैज का हैड. यदि सिंपल पास्ट है तो उसका पास परफेक्ट, मतलब v2 है तो उसको हैड प्लस v2. पास कंटिन्यू है, एमिजार प्लस वी आई एन जी है तो उसको क्या होगा, हैड प्लस मेन वर्ब पास पार्टिसिपल, सॉरी, हैड बिन प्लस मेन वर्ब पास पार्टिसिपल, दैट इज कॉल्ड पास कंटिन्यूस का पास परफेक्ट कंटिन्यू. यदि पास परफेक्ट है तो नो चेंज, पास परफेक्ट कंटिन्यू है तो नो चेंज, और सिंपल फ्यूचर है तो विल एंड शाल का वुड में चेंजेस होता है. प्रोनाउंस में किस प्रकार चेंजेस होते हैं? आई मी, वी अस, यू ही हिम, शी हर, इट दे देम, ये प्रोनाउंस में चेंजेस होते हैं. एडजेक्टिव एडवर्ब which shows nearness to distance. For example, now, then, here, there, ago, before, thus, so, this, that, these, those, today, that day, tomorrow, the next day, yesterday, the day before, yeah, the previous day, tonight, that night, last night, the night before, yeah, the previous night. Now we are this the same topic we are discussing in video number 1. Now we are discussing change number 4, that is called reporting verb. Okay, we are also changing reporting verb as per the sentences. A reporting verb in the direct speech are changed according to the sentence in indirect speech. For example, if the sentence is assertive sentence, a reporting verb in the indirect speech, in the direct speech are changed according to the sentence in indirect speech. रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब चेंज होता है किस प्रकार? फॉर एग्जाम्पल असर्टिव से एज पर द सेंटेंसेस. चेंज नंबर 1 2 3 इट इज कॉमन फॉर ऑल सेंटेंसेस. इज इट क्लियर? चेंज नंबर 1 कब होता है? रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब में, रिपोर्टेड वर्ब में. इफ द रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब इन पास्ट टाइम्स, इफ द रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब reported speech are universal truth, general truth, at that time we are not doing change number 1, otherwise we are doing change number 1. Change number 2, that is called pronouns as per the speaker and listener. Change number 3, that is called adjective adverb as per the nearness to distance, direct to indirect. Now change number 4, that is called reporting verb. according to the sentences. If there is assertive sentence, then say to है तो tail, says to है तो tails, say to है तो tails, said to है तो tolls, otherwise no change. say है तो say ही रहेगा, says है तो says ही रहेगा, tail है तो tail ही, tails का tails ही, told का tolls ही. सेकंड इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस है तो चेंज नंबर 4 किस प्रकार होगा? रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब सेज है, से है, टेल है, टेल्स, सेड, टोल्ड, देन वी यूज आस्क. कंपल्सरी रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब हम कौन सा यूज करते हैं? वी आर यूजिंग आस्क, 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 ओनली एंड ओनली आस्क, बिकॉज इट इज इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस. वी कन्वर्ट इंट्रोगेटिव इनटू assertive sentence in indirect speech. That's why we are using ask. इम्परेटिव सेंटेंस है तो एज पर इम्प्रेशन वी आर डूइंग चेंज नंबर 4. रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब हम चेंज करते हैं एज पर द इम्प्रेशन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल्स ऑर्डर्ड, सजेस्टेड, रिक्वेस्टेड, कमांडेड, एडवाइज, प्रपोज, एक्सेट्रा आर रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब आर यूज इन इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच इन इम्परेटिव सेंटेंस एज पर द इम्प्रेशन. Fourth sentence, exclamatory sentence. If the sentence is exclamatory, then we use exclaimed. Tell a, tales a, say, said, told. Instead of that, we are using exclaimed. Exclaimed with joy, yeah, exclaim with sorrow. Okay, this is a change number 4. I repeat. Assertive sentence, say है तो नहीं change होगा. There is no change. Says, says, tell, tell, tells, tells, said, said, told, told. But said to, then told. Say to, tell, says to, tells. In interrogative sentence, compulsory ask. In imperative sentence, as per impression, like order, requested, commanded, advised, proposed. Exclamatory sentence, compulsory exclaimed. Exclaim with joy, yeah, exclaim with sorrow. Then change number 5, that is last change. Conjunction is used to join reporting verb and reported speech in indirect speech, because we are omitting inverted commas, and inverted commas instead of inverted commas we are doing change number 5. Okay, change number 5, conjunction. Okay, we should change the conjunction from direct speech to indirect speech. For examples, in assertive sentence we directly use that. In interrogative sentence we directly use same wh word, or in verbal questions we use if ya whether in verbal questions. In imperative sentence we are doing change number, we are using conjunction to ya not to, and in exclamatory we are using conjunction as a that. These are the 5 changes. I repeat 5 changes. Time, tenses. If the reporting verb in present time and future time, at that time we are not doing change number, we are not changing time in reported speech. If the reporting verb in past times, for examples past times, then we are doing change number, then we are doing change time. For example, v1 to v2, simple past, past perfect, past continue, past perfect continue, will, would, should. Then pronouns, then some adjective adverb which shows nearness to distance. Then we are changing reporting verb as per the sentences: assertive, interrogative, imperative, exclamatory. And change number 5, that is called conjunction, that same wh word, yeah, if ya whether, to, not to, or exclamatory sentence that. These are the 5 changes we are doing when we change direct speech to indirect speech. I hope you can understand it. Then next video we are solving the exercise how to change direct to indirect speech. Okay, Have you got it? Suppose you have any doubt, please ask me in face to face discussion. Thank you.